Welcome back to another video. Have a little problems, but now I solve the problems. I can play a little. For now, my friend. Now I'm playing modded criminality, my friend. It's really good. I like this, and we're gonna make a video with Daisy, my friend. Yes, and I'm gonna change the. I'm gonna change. Yes, my friends, we kill them. We are the best for now, my friends. I don't have bounty, but I usually want to make some bounty. Modern, really hard. It's really hard, my friend. I usually play with my friends, but for now I don't have. And now I am speaking English, kind of Russian in English, because I'm bored speaking Romanian. In Romanian. Romanian usually you're not gonna make difference. That's why I'm talking in English. People can understand me. I don't know where is Magnum. Oh, I make some bounty. Magnum. With the Magnum. Guys, I still have 8 minutes to make a video. This is my everything I can do. But for Daisy episode, I'm gonna make and I'm gonna make like 1 hour max minute. Now I'm just playing game because I'm bored. Yeah, my friend. My friends are not. They are not playing right now. I can play. I can usually make videos with me. And to know my friend, two dogs is my friend too. That is mine, and like we have two. I make two channels, but now he's not. He don't care about. I think from the channel. I mean, if you like to to look at his video. I don't know how to link in the description. If I can put it, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and you can go on his channel. Right there. Yes. We have two channels. Me with him we have two channels. This channel and that channel. We have two. Because now we have. Oh my God, my friend! On this video, I want to play with. I have to kill a people. Till death. I need to do it. I need to do it right now. Let me do something. Wow, I can take this. My friend, you know, I need someone to kill for now. Okay, I'm gonna take someone. Right now, I'm gonna take someone. Let me see. Oh my God, 4 minutes. Already 4 minutes. I need to make another video part 2 of this because time left. I just move around and kill some people. This is not really great. This is not really great, my friend. And if I'm too loud, I'm too loud because my microphone is not working. And I need to use microphone from my laptop. Understood, understood. Okay, let me now I know where is the exterminator, my friends. Now I know where is it and I can get exterminator. But I need to wait someone to come. I need to wait someone to come. Really, really have to wait a little. A little, I need to wait. Wait! Okay, I'm gonna recount to a people. To a human. He died! I have this girl to sacrifice and now he's dead. Oh my god. Oh no. That is not cool, my friend. That is not cool. Help me. Someone to help me. I'm stuck here with this guy. Oh no. Have M4. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I don't know if it's coming or not. Oh my god. No, 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 he's coming. I'm more good than him, but he's have that ridiculous sword and I can kill it. It's powerful, he's have the power. He's really dumb. He's dumb. He's dumb. I know. Oh my god. He's really dumb, this guy. I need to go really quickly. I need to go really quickly. Russian. Please, don't die, don't die, don't die. Don't die. Really. Me revive him and then I'm gonna kill her again. Have more efficiency. And if this game is special, then... Yes, we are gonna do. But this time I'm gonna sacrifice him. Look, there is... Gonna die, my friend. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I need to wait a little. What just happened? What happened? What is happening? No, please. What's happened? Really? Really, my friend? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, man, I was drunk. Now I lost it. Yes, my friend, this is the game. I need to... But don't worry, we're gonna try again later. But now we need to make some kills, my friend. We are poor. You see the money we have. We don't... Oh my god. This guy... Ooh. Woo! Yes, my friend. He died. He died. But don't worry. I'm not gonna die for this time. I'm gonna be good. Please like, subscribe. I need subscribe and like. Goodbye. Goodbye, my friend.